Sometimes in geometry, angles actually come in pairs. And when they do, it's sort of a great time to celebrate that pairing of angles. Let's take a look at a whole bunch of different illustrations where angles come together in some interesting, special way. Well, the first way we can think of, if we look at this picture, is to see if we can identify which angles are called adjacent angles. Those are pairs of angles that share a common vertex and side, but no interior points. So let me give you some of these angles, and let's see if, in fact, they're adjacent or not. So first, let's take a look at angle 1 compared with angle 2. Well, notice they do not share a common vertex. And so, in fact, these are not adjacent. So they're actually not even in contention. What about angle 4 and angle 5? Well, angle 4, which is right here, and angle 5, which is this little skinny angle right there, notice they are adjacent because they actually share a vertex and they actually share a side with no points in between. So these two are adjacent. Notice that they're not a linear pair. A linear pair is a special pair of angles where, in fact, they turn out to sort of form a line when you look at those outer edges. But this is not a linear pair. However, it is an adjacent pair. Finally, let's take a look at angles 1 and 3. So here's angle 1 and angle 3. Well, they are indeed adjacent because they share this common side and this vertex and share no points in common in the interior. And yet, in addition, they actually form a linear pair because, in fact, these two angles, when put up against each other, form this straight line right here. So linear pair and also adjacent angles. Neat stuff.